How has a microscopic entity managed to alter our world in an unprecedented way? Picture this. It's late 2019, and life is carrying on as usual across the globe. Suddenly, whispers of a mysterious virus begin to emerge from the east. Within mere months, these whispers turn into an international outcry as the novel coronavirus, Covid-19, swiftly engulfs every corner of the globe. It's not just a health crisis. It's a seismic shift that has rocked the very foundations of our daily lives. Our workspaces have migrated from bustling offices to quiet corners in our homes. Social interactions, once taken for granted, are now a delicate dance of distance and precaution. Cities that never slept now stand still, and the rhythm of life sinks to the beat of uncertainty. This isn't just a chapter in our history books, it's a tale of adaptation, resilience, and the indomitable human spirit. The world as we knew it has been forever changed by this invisible enemy. But what has been the real cost of this pandemic? The global death toll from COVID-19 is staggering, a grim reminder of the sheer number of lives lost. Each number represents a person, a life lived, now gone. They were mothers, fathers, sisters, brothers, friends, and community members. Each loss has left an indelible mark on the families and communities they left behind. The devastation of the pandemic has not unfolded equally across the globe. Some regions have been hit harder than others. Wealthier nations, with access to vaccines and healthcare, have fared better than poorer countries, revealing stark disparities. The death toll has also been uneven across populations, disproportionately affecting those with pre-existing conditions and the elderly. In the United States alone, the death toll has surpassed 500,000. That's more than the total American fatalities in World War II, the Korean War, and the Vietnam War combined. In Brazil, one of the hardest-hit nations, the death toll has exceeded 250,000. And in India, a country with limited healthcare infrastructure, the death toll has soared past 300,000. These numbers are more than just statistics. They represent the human toll of the pandemic, the lives cut short, the families torn apart, the communities forever changed. Behind each statistic, there lies a human story, a life lost too soon. What about the financial aftermath of this public health crisis? Let's delve into the economic consequences of COVID-19. We witnessed a massive wave of job losses around the globe. Millions found themselves unemployed, their livelihoods abruptly halted by a virus that refused to discriminate. Businesses, too, bore the brunt of the pandemic's wrath. From mom-and-pop stores to multinational corporations, many found themselves forced to shut their doors, some temporarily, others for good. The hospitality and travel industries in particular were hit hard, with a significant number of companies unable to weather the storm. Alongside these individual losses, we saw a broader global economic downturn. Economies worldwide contracted as they grappled with the pandemic, a stark reminder of our interconnectedness and the domino effect of such a global crisis. We're talking about trillions of dollars in lost output, a figure so large it's hard to truly comprehend. The economic ripple effects of this pandemic will be felt for years to come. As we grapple with the aftermath, what does the new normal look like? The long-term changes brought about by COVID-19 have taken center stage, redefining how we live and work, learn, and socialize. The world as we knew it has been undeniably transformed. Take work, for instance. The 9-to-5 office grind is now a thing of the past for many. Remote work has become the norm, with home offices and virtual meetings replacing cubicles and conference rooms. Then, there's education. Digital classrooms have emerged out of necessity, turning students into online learners overnight. This shift has not only changed the way we educate our children, but has also opened up a world of possibilities for lifelong learning. And let's not forget socialization. The pandemic has reimagined our social interactions, pushing us towards online platforms for everything from birthday parties to business networking. But perhaps the most profound changes are seen in our healthcare systems and public health policies. Telemedicine has surged, signaling a new era in healthcare delivery. Meanwhile, public health policies have been revamped, prioritizing prevention and preparedness like never before. These changes have not been easy. They've required adaptation, resilience, and above all, a willingness to embrace change. But they've also ushered in a wave of innovation and progress. In many ways, COVID-19 has pushed us into the future faster than we could have ever imagined.